Pour some oil in the fry pan and make it heated like for some time. After heating it, pour some potatoes in the bowl. Now make it fry until it makes the color brown. Then heat it. Now put some potatoes in it according to your taste, much or less as you like, and then make it heat and add some salt in it, some black pepper according to your taste. Now cook it until it becomes soft. Then after it becomes soft, you have to put an egg. So remember, this recipe is only for one egg. I'm making it just on one egg. If you want to increase it, you can. If you don't want, that's your choice. And the thing is almost complete. Now you have to cook it, cover it, and after some time, and your dish is ready. It's a good, quite tasty meal. Now have it with the parathas. Tasty. If you want to have more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to get the notification. Press the bell icon.